Hello everyone, welcome back to my journey from zero to confidence. Friends, this is day 38 of my English fluency journey. Friends, today I want to talk about nature. Yes, my dear friends, that's why today I came here. You can see, I came for making video. Friends, today I want to talk about nature. Friends, nature is the most beautiful gifts in our lives. Yes, my dear friends. Friends, let me tell you one thing. Friends, when I look at the green trees, colorful flowers, and blue sky, I feel calm and happy. Really, I am telling you, friends. Friends, the fresh air, refreshes refreshes my mind and gives me positive energy. Yes, my dear friends. Friends, today I came this side today for making video, and I am making this video for you. There are so many green trees you can see very far from me. Yes, friends, I am trying to speak fluent English, but now I am trying. Every day I am speaking, every day I am practicing. Yes, my dear friends. Friends, I may not be fluent in English, but definitely one day I will speak in English fluently. Yes, my dear friends. Friends, I am practicing every day. I am trying to speak English fluently. Yes, my dear friends. Friends, you can see this is my bike, and you can see this is my bag. I came here for making video, and this time I am making this video for you. Yes, my dear friends. Friends, thank you for supporting my journey. Okay, friends, bye bye. See you on day 39. Bye.